This is my pig sleeping on the couch. He's snoring.
Have something, get up there.
I don't know, this has got to be something for YouTube or something, because he's fucking hilarious. Oh my god. Now, I want him to get up so that people know that he's real. Okay, now, he's snoring. No. Don't make him fucking big up, okay. Okay, go to sleep, back to sleep, lover. Sorry, buddy. Good night.